With our Diversity and Unity Council, our purpose is to all work together, respect one another, but have differences in thought, because that's the whole purpose of having diversity.
I did a lot of work with the Pringles can and design and development around that. But what I found to be successful is, okay, let's huddle up as a team. So I want the line operator, I want the quality tech, not just the quality manager. I want everyone who plays a role in the success of this can in this meeting to brainstorm what we can do differently. The way I looked at it is they know the lines better than I do.
I've been fortunate enough to have people who I've worked with and for who've put my interests ahead of their own. And I think that really speaks to kind of the cultural sinew that binds Sonoco together.
In the business resource groups, we've got high potential young leaders who are the leaders of those groups, and then they have teams under them. And I just have been so impressed with the energy and the talent that those groups are bringing to their groups as well as to the company.
We had a Sonoco Young Professional group put on a developing event where we had an executive panel come in, and we had all of our young professionals in attendance. And Rob Teedy, who's now our CEO, actually came up to us afterwards and said, let's reverse this. Let's have a panel of young professionals, and let's have all of our executive team come in and ask you questions, like what can we do better as a company? And so we did that, and I just think that in and of itself just speaks volumes for the type of company that this is.
The power of the diversity and accepting people for who they are is just really bringing everyone together and helping Sonoco be a better company.